watching Rev It Up 7 with these guys. Yeah!
What's up, guys? Rev It Up 7 here. Today we have an unboxing video for you guys. We just picked up this awesome Earthshaker Monster Jam truck from Walmart. We just got this stocked in our local store. I know it's been out for a little bit now, but we are just getting our chance to buy it now, and we're pretty excited. It comes with one of those recrushable cars, which is something that I'd like to see if it works as good as it says, because I remember the old.
We'll show it to you.
Yeah, the other ones used to be like you'd pop them apart and they'd just be flat or completely together. Kind of stupid. This looks like it's actually useful and fun to play with. So yeah, we're gonna cut to the unboxing cam. And
Well, before that, we could have bought Gas Monkey instead. Thrasher, if he's on here, no. But my brother texted me some three other options. No, four, sorry. But he showed me Earthshaker, Gas Monkey, Thrasher, and Carolina Crusher.
yeah, that's three options.
Three, yeah.
There's four trucks there. They had Carolina Crusher, this Earthshaker, the Gas Monkey Garage
It's a
truck,
hard decision, actually.
or the Flashback Thrasher, which has decals from a game we used to play.
Yeah.
Four really cool new trucks they had, but I only had enough to buy one, and I thought Earthshaker made the most sense to get.
I don't know, I just thought he was rare.
They had a ton of Gas Monkeys, so I picked out this one. They had one Earthshaker, so yeah, we're gonna cut to the unboxing cam and open this guy up.
Alright.
I'm gonna have him open it up.
Alright. That's what it looks like. Here we go. This is cool. Oh, it wasn't that hard. Whoa! It feels like a bulldozer. This feels rubbery.
Oh, so it's rubber, which means it'll look cool in slow motion crushing it. But other than that, yeah, actually that's better than the other one.
Yeah.
So
You can just push it down easily.
a little close up shot.
As you can see, that part
The
looks like
car, it's rubber, which is actually a lot nicer than the other one.
if this thing could focus, oh, I think you can see it. But you can see cracked glass.
So I'm gonna view it with the lighting, so I'm gonna do it from this side.
That's very cool, actually.
That's hard. I got the light downwards instead of at it.
But
yeah, look at, you can see that.
I think we'll get Gas Monkey.
Yeah, Gas Monkey is what we're gonna get next. You got some dirt decals on the side of the truck, the hydraulics that open up the back part of this truck. They're their own piece, kind of exposed, which is pretty cool. It's got Earthshaker decals, the caution tape around it. It'd be cool if I don't know if this is called the back, I don't know, the loading area. I don't know. I'm just gonna call it the bed back here. It'd be cool if this was a little deeper, so maybe you can put a Hot Wheels car in there or something, but it's fine. You can still put stuff in there. It's not like it's not there at all. Earthshaker on the fender, black wheels. This is a really cool looking truck. It's got a pretty angled up windscreen too. They didn't make it that streamlined, which is more realistic.
Carry cars, probably.
I mean, carry the car in the back.
Alright,
Yeah, that's
maybe that
Earthshaker.
means-
That's a pretty cool.
Maybe
pretty
that
cool
means
looking
you can
car.
carry Hot Wheels cars.
That's what I was just saying. Let me see.
Any car. Oh, maybe Vendetta.
Vendetta's a little bit wide.
Maybe it has to carry just small cars, or maybe cars that do this sometimes,
Do
balance
what?
them barely.
Let me see. It's a little bit small, but it'll fit cars.
Whoa! Stoppy.
I think if you've ever watched Monster Jam on TV recently, they like to plug the sponsors over and over again instead of a truck landing and them saying, "Ooh, that was great error. He landed on all the tires. It was great landing." He was like, "Ooh, he landed on all 4 BKT tires," which gets really annoying. But at the same time, I like how they got BKT perforated and cut into the tires next to the Hot Wheels logo. It looks cooler when the truck's moving and gives a little sense of how fast the wheels are going. It looks cool on TV too. But overall, this is a really sick truck. Earthshaker, 2018. Awesome.
What was I don't remember actually, but they showed a picture of Earthshaker and a Megalodon or something like that. I don't remember.
I have no idea what you're saying.
Me neither actually, because I saw Earthshaker and then I was wondering which one I like more. I don't remember, but
Okay.
I liked Earthshaker a lot. So
Whatever. Pretty cool truck. Oh, the front wheel over here is kind of looked like the tire was falling off. But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.